Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your one and only girl Jody. Today I will be making my one pan Santa Fe pork tacos in my kitchen. This recipe is from Hellofresh and it's my first time giving it a try, and I must say I enjoy this recipe. Quick, simple and easy. So if you want to learn this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, stay tuned, and let's get this process started. Let's go! So in this recipe, guys, I have me here my onion, my lemon, my purple cabbage, my Southwest spice blend, my Tex Mex Paste, my ground beef, my Monterey Jack cheese, my sour cream, and also my cilantro. So guys, these are all that I'm going to be using. Oh, and my 6 flour tortillas count. Right, so guys, let's go and prepare these ingredients. All right guys, so at this point we are going to follow the steps where we are going to wash and dry our products here. So here we are going to wash our lemon. Now we are going to cut up our cilantros. So now guys, we are going to add some oil in our pot. That is good. And we're just gonna let our oil heat up for a little minute. Now guys, we are going to saute our onion. We're gonna leave back our cilantro and our lemon. We're not going to use it as yet, okay? And we want to make sure our onion is sauteed properly and looking translucent. So my onion is looking translucent, as you could see. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to go ahead and add in my ground beef. I'm just gonna chop it up, and we're gonna do this until our ground beef is browned and cooked through. So meanwhile my ground beef is getting cooked, I am going to go ahead and add in some of my Southwest seasoning. I'm gonna add me a little garlic powder. I'm just doing it to my taste. I'm not adding a lot. This is not much ground beef. Just season your meat accordingly. And I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning. I'm not adding a lot. I'm just gonna give it a stir, making sure everything is completely blended in. This smells like, I cannot find a word to describe this right now. This smells really good, guys. And please make sure you chop up your ground beef before it gets hardened, because we're trying to avoid that. All right, we're gonna leave it for roughly like maybe the next 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. So at this point, I'm going to prepare my slaw for my food. I'm just gonna cut this here, and this is quickly, it's not of a big deal. So we're gonna use all of that. We're gonna go with our mayo. Brush it over like that. I'm just use this for now, and then I use the other later. And I use a pinch of salt, not a lot. That's good. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna use some juice from the lemon. Gonna add some cilantro. Now we're just gonna give this a stir. Right, we are back, and my ground beef looks like it's ready. OMG, the smell is everything right now. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tex Mex. Give it a stir. We are going to go ahead and give it a taste test. Taste it. Perfect. I like my food flavorful and nice, guys. So season your meat according to how you like it, okay? And now we're gonna turn the stove off, and then we're gonna move on to the next process. Up next, we are going to get our tortillas warmed. So this is what my my wraps looks like. Now we're gonna place this in the microwave. You could place it in the oven, but I'm just gonna put this in the microwave for at least 30 seconds. All right, so let's go put these babies in the microwave. Let's go. I'm gonna fill it up with a little big filling.
Sprinkling some of my Monterey Jack cheese on top.
Now we're going to add our slaw to it. Up next, we are going to add our sour cream. Just add a little bit. Adding my cilantro.
There you have it, guys, my one-pan Santa Fe pork tacos in my kitchen. I must say, my husband and I enjoy this recipe to the fullest. Quick, simple, and easy. I prepared this recipe in less than 30 minutes. it is a must try. If you have a busy family, busy at school, busy at work, this is quick and easy. The recipe is easy to follow, no hassling. So if you enjoy this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment and tell me what you loved about this recipe. And also guys, feel free to comment and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. This is your beautiful girl Jody. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay hydrated, and see you guys soon. Enough love and enjoy. Bye for now, guys.